Out here in nature, taking a walk, y'all. Literally told y'all that this weather has been bipolar. 70 degrees today, and we just had snow 2 days ago. So yeah, here we are on the trail. It's open. Look at that little deer over there, minding his own little business, eating a little grass. Not out there.
Did they build this solo?
I don't think so.
That's like a good idea.
Yeah, it's pretty dirt high. It's been a while. The water's rising. Huh? Almost done. Walked all the way around. Gonna go to the library. Spring break is here. Can't believe these kids get 10 days off. 10 days. And then after that they have Easter break. Another 4 days. Yeah. Let's go into the library. Oh, they changed it. Oh yeah, because they built something different. I'm gonna go to the back. We haven't been to the library in a while. They changed our library. Ooh, they got some new games. You see anything you like over here? Ooh, they made a new teen zone, Monty. Look at it.
Not a teen.
Doesn't matter. I'm just saying. Look at the kids zone now. Let's see. Over there. Oh, this is new. It's so nice. It's very, very nice. Ooh. This is pretty. We haven't been in here since they remodeled. Alright, we survived the library. We survived the walk. Oh man, my twin cars. She has fabric seats though. We survived. The library looks so different since we've been here last.